Hey guys, Brett here with Custom Offsets. Got another episode, Lifts and Levels. This one's gonna be a coilover system for an F-150. This is gonna be a HaloLifts, their boss system 3-inch coilover setup. This is gonna be for their 2015 to 2018 F-150 models. Got this nice big coilover system here. Obviously it's adjustable. It's preset to the 3-inch height, but you can turn it down if you would like. Once again, this is by HaloLifts, and then this is their boss system. So it's going to include these SPC upper control arms with the caster adjustment. And then for the rear, it's just going to be their HaloLifts rear shocks. And then the nice built aluminum machined rear blocks. And then the new U-bolts as well for the rear. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed and see how it looks. Alright guys, so we got the coilover installed here on the truck, and this is going to be simply just remove and replace, remove the factory strut, replace it with the coilover. There's going to be no differential dropping, no cutting it, nothing like that. And then simply removing and replacing the factory control arm with the new supplied control arm here. I believe it's an SPC control arm with their caster adjustment. So like I said, the only two things you got to replace would be the coilover and then the upper control arm here, and nothing else is involved. So it's a pretty straightforward one. And then in the back, just like everything else, just going to be the new that billet aluminum block from HaloLifts here, as you can see, installed, and then their new U-bolts, U-bolt hardware, and then their new shocks here installed.